Hi, it's me!
Hey guys, this is gonna be the quickest rehouse of my new sling, Psalmopoeus Venezuelan sun tiger. I saw her toes before, and she's really quick of what I know, heard and seen. So let me see if I can make a quick rehouse, which means I will be using Carolina's gift to me, and it's her enclosure, and I will be post a link down below till to the video till Swedish to the video how she made it. So I just sprayed a little bit for humidity, and I will just put this in the new enclosure and see what she thinks about that. I'm saying she because I think it's a she. So let's try not to piss her off. I will just put it inside and let her get out on her own, I think. Or maybe not. Bring you in. See if I can. So I'm sure you can see her. So maybe like this, yes. Moving. Oh yeah, she's coming out. Can you see her? She's out. Guys, she's out. Oh no. Better, yeah. Oh, so beautiful, tiny legs. So cute. Oh, I want her a little bit aside. So I can take the old enclosure out, but now she's in the perfect position that I can actually oh, so pretty. Yes, that was very nice, smooth transfer. Oh, those beautiful toes and the colored body and the tiger striped bum. Oh yeah, she is really, really beautiful. So I will not disturb her more. I will put on the lid. Very nice smooth transfer with a beautiful spider from Spider Shop and beautiful enclosure from Carolina's Tarantulas. Thank you so much for watching. I see you in my next video. Bye.